back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare organic green tomatoes recipe. It's a different side dish for rice. The main ingredient here is the green tomatoes. Green tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and B vitamins. For this recipe, you should choose unripe and small green tomatoes. If it has become mature, it would become sour. So choose it accordingly. The ingredients is 3 green tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 chilli, 1 spoon of chilli powder and half spoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of grated coconut and curry leaves. Now we have cut the green tomatoes into small pieces. Now let's start cooking. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 onion in the pan and saute well. Add 1 green chilli and curry leaves and stir it. Stir the onion until the color of the onion changes and the raw smell of onion changes. Color of onion has started to change. It's time to add green tomato pieces. Now mix the tomato and the onion well. When green tomatoes has cooked a little, add salt, one spoon of chilli powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 of grated coconut. Now mix it well and allow the recipe to cook well. Now our recipe is ready and it's time to taste it. Thanks for watching this recipe. If you enjoy watching this recipe, like this video and subscribe my channel and share your points in the comments. Thanks for watching.